tried.
Yes, I tried really hard.
Well, I guess I always knew Fish Store Phil. Chelsea did not survive Riley. What will happen to her now?
Oh, she'll go in the potty.
The potty?
Whoop, whoop, the potty!
Okay, we'll go that way. Young lady, how would you like to watch your goldfish loved one swim to that great fish bowl in the sky?
I would like that very much, Fish Store Phil, yes. How does she get there?
Well, the 415 Express is leaving right now.
Get her on it, get her on it!
Close your eyes with me, Riley. Let's bow our heads.
Of course.
What was that? That was the sound of Chelsea's fish soul swimming up to fish heaven.